Among the most wonderful birds, emperor penguin is surely one of the unique species. They are only found in the Antarctica where the temperature can reach up to -60 degrees Celsius. The birds have a white front and black rear. The head, tail and wings are also black with yellow lining along the neck and head. The adults can be as tall as 45 to 48 inches tall and can weigh up to 45 kilograms. They mainly feed on fish and also on crustaceans. They live up to 50 years, but in the wild it is usually around 20 only. This species is the largest among the penguins and have special anatomical and physical capabilities that help them to survive the harsh conditions they live in. Their skin has fat layers underneath which gives insulation and reduces heat loss from the body. The penguins usually stay together in large groups to help keep their body warm. They can also regulate their cell metabolism and by doing so, can release large amount of heat energy when necessary. Emperor penguins are good divers and their body is also adapted to withstand high pressure underwater and survive in low oxygen level. While diving, their heart rate falls and functioning of their non-used organs are stopped. The oxygen-carrying proteins hemoglobin and myoglobin in their body have high binding capacity enabling to attach oxygen even when the gas is in low concentration. All these features allows them to dive up to an amazing half a kilometer underwater and stay there for up to around 20 minutes. Emperor penguins are the only penguins which breed during the winter. While doing so, they travel several kilometers before they reach the breeding ground where a large population of up to 20,000 pairs gather. They do not build any nest, but instead when the eggs are laid, these are handed over to the males who become responsible for their protection and keeping them warm in the extreme cold. The females make their journey to the sea after laying eggs to feed and replenish themselves while at the same time reserving some for the young chicks who are due hatching. During this period, the males stay without food for up to 100 days and look after the eggs and the hatched chicks until the females return. The males lose great deal of weight and once the female takes over the responsibility of the young, the males have their turn to go to the sea and nourish their body. The young penguins grow and are eventually left in groups when they become mature enough. By this time, the temperature rises and ice starts to melt, bringing the water close to this young birds making it easier for them to access food. This wonderful species is now in the near-threatened list in the UCN Red List status. One obvious reason is global warming, which by melting ice is reducing the area of their breeding place. Another reason is the decrease in the availability of food due to overfishing. According to National Geographic, if we are careful and look after the Earth, it is still possible to shelter this amazing life form.